Basic mashed potatoes with no frills, exactly the way they should be. Most people use either Yukon Gold or russet potatoes. Yukon Gold has a stronger taste. Choose potatoes that are similar in size so they cook evenly. For this recipe, we're using 2 pounds, which is about 1 kilo. Rinse them and scrub them a little with your hands. Now it's time to peel the potatoes. The peels have lots of nutrients, so for many kinds of potatoes, it's good to leave them in, but not for mashed, as you want a smooth texture. You can remove any imperfections. Put each potato in cold water right away after peeling, as they oxidize quickly and change color. We are draining the water to remove any bits of peel. Fill the pot with cold water. You should have 1 inch or more of water above the potatoes. Turn on high to bring to a boil and add a tablespoon of salt. When the water starts boiling very gently, turn it down to low heat. Keep boiling gently for 20 to 30 minutes. If the water becomes lower than the potatoes, add some boiling water. After 20 minutes, check if the potatoes are ready by inserting a knife. If it goes in easily and the potatoes slide off, they're ready. If not, continue boiling until they're cooked. Don't overboil them as they'll break apart and they won't taste very good. Strain off the water and let the potatoes steam dry for a few minutes while you prepare some milk and butter. In a small pot on medium heat, add 1/4 cup to a cup of milk. The amount is a matter of personal preference. Some people like their potatoes more solid, so we'll use less milk, and others like them more silky, so we'll use more. Add 4 tablespoons of butter, because after all, these are mashed potatoes. The butter will melt in only a couple of minutes. While the potatoes are still hot, add them to a pot and mash them a little. Now add the hot milk and butter mixture and continue mashing until well incorporated. If you like this video, please help us out by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Mix with a spoon to even out the texture. Now check your seasoning and add more salt if needed. You can also add a little pepper. Stir again and check the seasoning again. Repeat until you're satisfied with the flavor. The mashed potatoes are ready. Enjoy this humble but incredibly tasty food. If you enjoyed our mashed potatoes video, we think you'll like this one too.